Okay guys, welcome back to my vlog, Will's Kitchen Table. Today I'm making some curry chicken today guys. This is for lunch. So it's only for about 2-3 people this will serve for. So I'm gonna get right in. I got all my stuff cut up right here. My onions, my thyme and scallion and carrot. Yardman style again today people. So let's go. Alright. So chicken washed here. I love to wash my chicken with some lemon juice or lime juice, vinegar. Get it nice and clean. I got beta pot curry going on right here. That's the key thing. And I got some Maggi all-purpose spice here. Guys, back home, no measuring. Throw some spices right on. I would say this is about 2 tablespoons of all-purpose. I got some garlic powder here. This I measure, that's only like a teaspoon of garlic powder. And this is some chicken spices going on right here. And black pepper, of course. Can't leave out the black pepper, guys. Right? And then the beta pot curry. That's going on, guys. It's a small amount of chicken, so I don't need too much curry. So I would say 1.5 tablespoons. Should be good. Alright, and I'm gonna dump this right inside, marinate that right in the chicken, and I got some oil going on right here, going in. So I'm just gonna do this, marinate this chicken early, let it sit in the fridge. We're gonna get it in the pot later. Curry chicken, it cooks pretty fast, so have some time to marinate. This is how you gotta get in with your hands, guys, and rub it up. And I use a gloves because I don't want curry all over my hands. Alright, guys, so I'll see you when I'm ready to cook this chicken. Okay, guys, welcome back. It's time to start the chicken. I got the oil going on the stove top here. I just put a piece of onion, piece of the thyme, and some pepper inside the oil. Just gonna bring you guys a little bit closer to show you guys what's going in the pot. All right, you guys cooking with me, you know. Yardman style again, guys. Okay, let's get it right in the pot here. Pot is hot. Get the curry chicken down. This is a small pot, guys. This is lunch thing going on, guys. Making a lot of noise with my pan. So the curry chicken for lunch, guys. Lunch thing. You guys staying in the kitchen with me today. Stay with me, cook with me. Guys, see what's going on in the pot? Gonna keep on stirring this curry chicken. You know, some people said chicken curry, I guess in other countries. We say curry chicken. In Jamaica, it's curry chicken for us, guys. Some white rice. Yeah, guys, the flavor gonna be up again today. I always like it up. Flavor gotta be up, guys. Whether I'm making curry chicken or curry goat, it's gotta be up. We're all about flavor. We turn that up all the time, guys. I'm gonna get my rice all washed and get on the stovetop right now too. So you guys tune in with me. Don't go anywhere, guys. So guys, the rice wash. Butter going in. Butter. Salt I put inside already, guys. Curry chicken. Can't go without the white rice, guys. Yeah. So you guys stay with me and cook with me. Alright, let's see what's going on in the pot. Hey. Curry chicken turn up, guys. Look at that. Mouth watering. I haven't had curry chicken in a while, so I decided to make this for lunch today. Small amount. Let that simmer down. And guys, I got some potatoes already cut up. I'm gonna put in also. Already dice up some potatoes to go inside the curry chicken. Right. I'll let that cook a little bit more because I don't want my potatoes to mash inside there. So guys, I'm gonna get a pepper riding chicken, scotch bonnet on top and another piece of thyme. Guys, can't cook curry chicken without scotch bonnet pepper. You need that. I got some cut up inside already. Throw one on top for the flavor. Close it back. I wish you guys could smell the pot right now. Smell all the flavor, the aroma from the thyme and the scallion and pepper that's going on inside, guys. Make you guys hungry today. I'm gonna get the potatoes in soon. Okay guys, let's get in the potatoes in the curry. Alright. Wow. This is looking good. Looking good. I'll let you guys see what's going on in the pot, you know. Don't worry. I'll move you guys a little bit closer. See what's going on in the pot, guys. Pot is looking good. Alright, and I got some green beans right here that I'm cutting up, and carrots. It's gonna be my veg. Guys, I can't eat without veg. Love my vegetables. Some carrots and green beans. Just gonna steam these off. A little bit of garlic butter right on it. That's going with my white rice and my curry chicken. Put the cover right back on this. Guys, don't want to waste any time. We're gonna eat up a lunchtime, alright? Okay guys, let's check out the rice first, see what's going on. Wow. The rice is looking good, guys. Nice and shelly rice. Yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Wow. Guys, I'm hungry already. The white rice is ready. Let's check out the curry chicken. Wow. Guys, pepper smells so good in the pot here, man. Wow. Guys, you guys gotta get your plate and dig into this. Just give this a little stir here. Wow. Can't let this pepper burst in here, you know. Turn that down. Let it simmer down. Alright guys, guess we're gonna eat soon. Okay guys, let's get the veggies right in the pot here. This water is ready. Get this down because we're gonna eat. Alright. I have some salt in the water already. Get the cover right onto that. So I got 3 pots on the fire. Stove top, rice ready. Curry chicken is still going. Guys, let's let it cook. Get all the flavor inside that pot. Don't go anywhere. People, look what's going on here. What's in the pot? I didn't hear that. What did somebody say? Plantain? Yeah, you get it. Alright. Some fried plantain, people. That's what's going in this pot. People, I got curry chicken, white rice, vegetables, on the kitchen table today, people. Alright. So that's what we're having, guys. Lunch. You know what? It's lunch and dinner in one. Yep. Get some plantain going. Got this plantain well ripe, people. I said it's time to use it up. Because we're going yardman style again. Alright? As I said, you guys cooking with me, I wish you guys could eat with me. Not possible. So guys, getting these plantain out. Put them on some paper towel right here. Guys, we're getting these plantain out. Put them on a piece of paper towel. Get some of the oil off. Alright. Guys, we're ready to eat, you know. I don't know if you are ready. I am. Alright. Fried plantain ready, guys. My veg is also ready. So guys, the veg is done. A little bit of basil butter. And then the veg here, I'll put a 1/4 teaspoon of some garlic powder. Garlic powder going on, guys. Some black pepper. I already had salt in the water, so that should be enough for me. I mixed it all up. The veg, carrot and the beans, green string beans. Alright, this carrot's nice and al dente. Veg ready, guys. So I'm gonna get the plate. The chicken is done, guys. We're ready to eat. Rice done, plantain. So I'm gonna get my plate and you guys can dig in with me and have some lunch. Okay guys, so plate is ready. Take a look at this, guys. The curry chicken is up. Okay guys, I gotta get my fork. I'm gonna start eating right now. So you guys, get your fork and come to the table with me. Okay guys, I'm gonna start eating right now. I'm not gonna say anything. You guys are getting too jealous. This curry chicken, guys, I haven't had it in a while, but up again. Wow. Guys, the veg, with the garlic butter, it's amazing. It's good. So my eyes, they're popping. Wow. Guys, just want to say thanks again for the 100 subscribers. I can't stop thanking you guys. So guys, I just want to do a shout out to Jamaica Life Nice. I want to thank King Nick for looking out for me and sharing my videos. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next vlog.